Good afternoon, everyone. Just wanted to hop on here and do a quick recap of this morning's trade. It is January the 2nd, 2025. I hope everyone is having a great start to the new year. Of course, we did not trade yesterday for it being New Year's, but we did fortunately take a good trade this morning. We opened up with a new day opening gap lower than the opening price, so I was looking for us to take at least 50% of that new day opening gap, in which we did very quickly after opening. We pushed all the way down and beyond that level of 21,287.50. Then I was looking for us to retest the first presented fair value gap that we created on the session and push lower. I was expecting us to push a good bit lower. We see the liquidity on the 15-minute chart. That was my target for the day. I was short biased on today's session, and we ended up pushing up and through the first presented fair value gap, which then began to show me, and I was able to identify that it was a high resistance liquidity day, so we need to be careful. Then I just wanted to see how market would play out. Again, I was short biased today, so I was never looking for longs, understanding that it was going to be a difficult session. Helped me to be more patient and wait for the trade to come to me. I did miss a short opportunity that you see. I did mark out a 1 minute inversion. Market very clearly gave us an entry opportunity, but I actually wanted to see the short-term high broken with displacement before entering. We did get all of that later, and then I was able to finally see the entry that we took. We then inversed the 1 minute fair value gap once more and began to consolidate around that. And because we were able to stay below 50% of the first presented fair value gap, consolidating there, showing that the market could not break through that, I was willing to take a short. I did not take the entry that I would like. I like to take the entry within the fair value gap zone, and I did not do that. But because our risk to reward was good, I think it was a 2.36 to 1. My minimum is 2. I was okay with the entry position that we had, and I think I ended with 80-something points. We'll play through and let you see that the trade take place there. Again, my target was around the 21,121 level. That's a 15-minute sweep that I was looking to take. But the short-term low was also my initial target. Once I saw the response we got there, because I'm only in one position, I was willing to take that. Understanding the market would probably continue lower, I wanted to secure my profit and move on. Very pleased with today's trade, and I will be back on tomorrow. Hopefully we can do it again.